Hey guys, Clay from Tailwind Customer Success here, back with another video for you all about CTAs, call to actions, and how they are going to be the key to getting people from your stories or your feed posts to your Smart Bio link. Because just because your Smart Bio is inside of your Instagram profile does not mean that people know that it exists. So you need to use what are called call to actions or commonly used phrases to get people to navigate to your Instagram profile so they can check out your bio, click the link, go to your shop, your site, your blog, sign up for your newsletter, whatever it may be, okay? So today I've got my draft pulled up on our desktop publisher. This is only going to be available on our desktop publisher. It's not available in our mobile app, okay? So once you're inside of the draft publisher, all you need to do is go right down here to where it says Smart Bio link. If you don't see this, make sure that you have auto post enabled because it won't show up unless it is, all right? Now, from here, all you need to do is add a link label for the post links like we've talked about in previous videos. We're going to go here and we're going to say, I'm going to say newest workout program because I am, well, hello, I cannot spell. I'm going to say newest workouts because I have to keep it condensed, right? And then from here, I'm just going to put in my website for the workouts, okay? And then after I do that, you can see these buttons pop up and they say, hey, add a CTA to Caption, or I can also customize the CTA. So if I customize it, I can literally make it say a whole host of things like click the link in my bio to learn my secrets or find out more in my bio, like it says here. I like find out more in my bio, so I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to say add CTA to Caption. Now, you'll notice it adds it at the front part of my caption. We've actually found that whatever you put at the very beginning of your caption is actually going to mitigate more action on behalf of your users. Plus, within Instagram, you get a very short amount of preview for your post as people are scrolling through, right? So that's one strategy we've actually found that works really well. If by preference you don't like it at the front, you can always copy, paste at the end, and then have it your way, as they might say. So I hope this has been helpful. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. We'd love to hear from you what you want these videos to be about. So please let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, have a great day and we'll see you next time.